Hello. Legacy campers kajiva individual katong ali hilada remind sadly itu mui kaya shigapaya chief case razangai apam hili razang lagare ayarli kayili bam the clapping ground ayarli bam the clapping atang va sana haida mazangai mana jilala ariva razang jang khatere natum na khawau khoni shadalaya ka itu mui ground alongli khazang milak log natumli saklakane remind kasanai Kavau koni shada lea ka ground ayarli kayili lea sor pam the clipping jinala kaya ka shian ng soda ground olongli assemble ka samilo program hi atam sang namazang maray idong hun kamang lala kaya ka shian na ring pala kay na program is singkang room say ghi na tumli sakla kay na remind ka sanay kala itumwi legacia kaya shigapaya chief guest karajitaran idom na ichachana pam the clay situation na nganing kasay kaya kashimi say kajahin na tum psychorally remind kasanay ning shilagare.
The 33rd General Conference Cum Sports Meet 2025 of TANGKHUL AZE KATAMNAO Long TANKKHUL Inaugural Program is about to start. Please take your seats and be reminded to put your phones into silent modes to avoid any distraction. Thank you. The 33rd General Conference Cum Sports Meet 2025 of TANGKHUL AZE KATAMNAO Long TANKKHUL Inaugural Program is about to start. Please take your respective seats and be reminded to turn your phone into silent modes to avoid any distraction. Kalay hithada chishat luyaw kay game li bamdag lay members being aka mashoy li attend sa by remind sa lushit ka chine chief guest ragzang atishurda itum sa ikorana matalaga in hon kuisa gchihi kapona.
Hello. Legacia campers ping TANKKHUL sports regulations atishurda itumwi formal program singaka tamjetran kipakala mashoy paimra kala kipaka kemli mapam paimra kajiwu regulations is set sagahaini chiwi wangaina itumna law and order regulations set sagahili kaya kashian ngasoda kala hiwi principle hi khangak aina ngasoda kipakala kem hili mapamiarono chief case rashung lakere itumna kaya kashiena formal program hi mapung palakaina maya lakaina kuika sai gje natum psycho ling hot kangai ne aze luidamli leida klei katong awi tangkhul aze luidamli leida klei katong awi mai itumna khangka gi gje mai shing sakse mai kang sakse gje na iwi Sharuk kuchunga zangai gajihi natum psychorally remind sangai jne kemli pam the clapping iliva darkar masama nei damapaning mialo na iwi sharuk kazangwi wang program hi mapung phagi gajne gajihi idum psycho urana paning mi say gji natum psychology remind sa khangai nei
Kindly rise to welcome the arrival of our chief guest of the 33rd General Conference Cum Sports Meet, Sri Nongthombam Biren Singha. Yari Saikorana chief guest Ragazang Shida Nganinka Misiranu. Kala chief guest na seat Mukwirang Ainatangda Yari na Kayakashi Ainanganing da Honmiranu.
Legacia Razanghaya member psychology remind salushitali chief case kazangtran kipa kanala mapam yaruno kaya kashiana nganing laka honkui say gaji natumli saklaka na request kasanay sangdang nganing gaji maning manay itum kikama chotlak maray minute aka kani wituinay kun kamang lala kaya kashiana kaya shigapaya itumwi chief case ili honkui say gaji natumli saklaka na kajitay ni ning shlagare
This beautiful folk dancers dressed in traditional attire is our welcome gesture to welcome our respectable chief guests and honorable guests and dignitaries. It shows our love, gratitude, and beauty of this place. Yarina mapammi for arano.
Hello, ning shnae ra yari na pam sang misa.
Good afternoon. A warm greetings to each and every one of you. Welcome to Reha Village for the 33rd General Conference cum Sports Meet of TANGKHUL AZE KATAMNAO, which is held on 20th January to 1st February 2025. I, Ningsan Jajo, along with my co-host Ngatorium Kashun, will be your MC for this event. On behalf of the organizing committee, we express our deep sense of appreciation for your presence today.
We are honored to serve as the master of ceremony for this event. This conference is held after every 3 years by one of the selected units of TAKL to contemplate and address global challenges, encourage and promote knowledge exchange, and to understand cultural diversity in broader perspective. It is such a wonderful moment for us to be gathering here at this beautiful, majestic, serene seaside place named Reha Village. Thanks to you all for coming, accepting the invitation to convene this glorious day. Despite your busy schedule, spending time away from your families and home. We welcome His Excellency, honorable guests, distinguished dignitaries, respectable delegates, eminent leaders, representatives from media and journalists, freshers outside AZE or first attendants, parents, friends, and lovely children to this program. And of course, we extend our appreciation to the host of this monumental conference. I shall be now highlighting today's inaugural program. To begin with, invocation will be said by Quaker Reverend Resang Mishing Lai, Youth and Education Secretary, STNBA. Flag hoisting and unveiling of monolith will be done by chief guests. For the opening song, we shall be singing TANGKHUL anthem led by Lasio Chungsang La Jaju. Following from that, presidential address will be addressed by President TANKHUL. Introduction and President by TANKHUL Executive. Reha brief history report by Lasio Misa Marchang. After that, welcome address will be given by Quira Unganing Mahung, acting headman Reha Village. After which, Reha folk dance will be there, and there will be a segment of speech from guest of honor, chief guest, functional president. Furthermore, grand speech will be spoken by chief guest. Subsequently, lighting of the torch and oath taking will be taken up by Quira Rimai Mathanmi, Games and Sports Secretary, TANKHUL. Equally important, declaration and opening of the event will also be initiated by chief guest.
So, without further ado, let us begin this program by welcoming Reverend Resang Mishing Lai to invoke the Almighty for invocation.
Shuka sehasase koi ngahak tang ishor bu haijasi kasa khaba bibra itum na ngaran kasa paning kasa zemik shoji rashung aire program masingarang laga nawi sokhami kapone khangreo khanghan itum khuikara kala ischawe khalai talen la itum chithing rokra sai karachi itumli enjoy sang sakmilo kala higatha program hina itumli khamshit legacy chilla matai medang rum sangmilo kala raigasang chilla sang sakmilo dalaga pone unit kichivuli kala khangreo mi kichivuli discipline khamatha chilla sangmilo akai naka tamkhing rok pai shupung rok pai conference kala sports sang sakmilo dalaga pone amasung shor na hakwo haijabani ahoigi irakta manipur gi sason pairiba minister kaya paibiramba ahal lamal luching purel irakta yaurakle hairaga akhoi mayamna shor na haki mingda nijabani moigi mathaktashu ishor nahakna lausing amasung mayambu luchingduna chatpa ngamnabagi pangaladu lausing adu ishor nahakna pinabiu mingda panjarabda babung birencho akhoigi rakta yaurakpa haibasi akhoigi tabakti haraubani nungaibani amasung mahakki Thabak tauriba mayamda family da shor na hakna yaubiri hairaga mayamda hujik puri bagumna makha chathagidoriba mayamda shu cooperation piba ngamnabagi khoi mayambo nungsibudu nahak nahapiu haiduna nijabani makhata na chathagidoriba program mayam shu leijari shor na hapu nijabani kasa khaba bra kapo hili mabagu sung wak pai kya khalali sare kasa khaba bra host da darkar kasa gai na darkar kasa ramwen ra ga janga ga tamnau ping na darkar kasa sai korchin na ga theine na ni chipe milo aju wena hopok laka kaku tarik akha ain dang dan na ka chuiwa mi da khanang ga hai ka za ga hai malai lakla ring phala kahaya memory leila kahaya sports thumra dak thum ka sungjing sang sakmilo da akhamanga ja prohoji christ na wiming singda awana ligopone amen.
Thank you very much for the invocation. Now, as we embrace this solemn moment, I graciously call upon His Excellency Shri Nongthombam Biren Singha, Chief Minister of Manipur, onto the stage to do the honor of flag hoisting and unveiling of the monolith. As we proceed with our opening ceremony, let us all rise to sing the TANGKHUL anthem, and it will be led by La Shio Chungsang La Jajo.
Hello. Hello.
Thank you very much. Please be seated. Ara itum AZE we flag ki khanga hokida itum kachita units we presenting kana mga shok laga itum we flag ki khanga kubai kapona kachita units we representative president or king secretary ni shok laga itum flag ki hokayang sada khanga kubai sasa kala hi khayagashi sada itum saikoro nanganinga lushitsa. The TANKKHUL flag stands unfurled with the motto "Lead and Sacrifice." This flag signifies values, history, and identity of TANKKHUL. As the flag ascends, let us all look on with devotion and pride, aware of the rich heritage it presents.
Hello.
Reha Village Volley Court donated by Oli Emily Wandil, donated by Sri Nongtambam Biren Singh, Honorable Chief Minister Manipur. The presence of Honorable Minister and MLAs on 2025. Reha Village Playground and Stage Construction under 43 Pungyur AC MLEL DP, inaugurated by Sri Laishio Keshing, Honorable MLE 43 Pungyur AC, in the presence of Sri Unganing Mahung, Acting Headman Reha Village and VAS on 21st January 2025. This monument is erected on 21st January 2025 to commemorate the 33rd General Conference cum Sports Meet 2025 of the TANGKHUL AZE KATAMNAO, the Southern TANGKHUL Students Union at Reha Village, 20 January to 1st February 2025. Theme: Reasoning for Optimal Engagement of Multifaceted Challenges. Monument unveiled by Sri Nongtambam Biren Singh, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, in the presence of Wangbo Neumai, Honorable Minister of Relief and Disaster Management Manipur, Sri Leshangtam Susindro Meitei, Honorable Minister, Public Health Engineering Department, Consumer Affairs, Good Food and Public Distribution Department, Sri Taunojam Basanta Singh, Honorable Minister, Education Department, Law and Legislative Affairs Department, Sri Laishio Keshing, Honorable MLA 43 Pungyur ACST, Reha Village Elders, TAKL officials, General Public of TANGKHUL AZE KATAMNAO, donated by Sir Chipemi Keshing, Airport Director, Imphal International Airport.
Thank you very much for unveiling the monolith. As our flag unfurls in the sky, let's resonate the TANGKHUL anthem in the air. Let's carry forward the spirit of patriotism in our hearts, reminding us of the values and principles that our flag stands for. Let this moment not just be a ceremony, but the celebration of unity, diversity, and our shared identity. Yari sorguru napa misa ningshlagaira. May I have the honor to invite President of TAKL, Mr. Yerjiso Kushung, to the stage for presidential address.
Yamoilo. Yamoise. Azu. Palakaya. AZE KATAMNAO longwi. 33rd General Conference Sports Meet City. Maram TANGKHUL tuina. Palakina. Matuilaga. Sangaye. Ka itumilung hili. Itumaina tui kangte itumui kongnaiwi. Mibing la zangauda achiva. Ina kutong ka sagapai tui Manipur tuina inum tuyokai natumda pyomlu chpaji hangai. Ahno maktada Shigumlaba Numit Pajaraba Tanja Bibiriba Ekoibu Ngakpi Shembiriba Taibu Makubu Namkai Layton Harau Numaiba Pongdok Cheri Ani Shubada Ngashi the 33rd General Conference comes sports meets Ashida Chief Guest Oibiriba Queer and Biren Singh, Humble Chief Minister of Manipur, Functional President Queer Awanba Nyumai, Humble Minister, Relief and Disaster Management Manipur, Guest of Honor Leshemba Susendro Mitei, Humble Minister, Public Health Engineering Department, Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Manipur, Anishubada Govindas Kontongjam, PWD and Yas Minister, Manipur, DH Biswajit Singh, Forest and Environment, and MHPDCL Minister, Manipur, MLA Premchandra Singh, Rameshwar Singh. Akhoi Manipur ki luchingba mayam asina shikumlaba akidmak na tanja khaidok piraga akhoi Pabung Piren Nalu Chingduna Magi Minister Kaloina MLA Mayamga Shimaina Ekoi Southern TANGKHUL Student Union Bu Thaugat Piba Lakpa Ekoi ki program asi mopung pahan gani haina lakpa asi yengraga Southern TANGKHUL Student Union on behalf da Aina apenba phongdokba danatana Ikai khumnaba loinana mayambo taramna okchari ahum shubada aikhoigi pungyar kendra gi MLA shu oibiriba aikhoigi chief host shu oibiriba Queer Leisio Kaising yam harawi wahena thagaluju Loiber Nairoi. Akhoi Southern TANGKHUL Student Union City Kamjong District ki manung chana leiba TANGKHUL gi khun gi chatra sing nakhakna semba Student Union nate. Akhoi asida Kangpokpi District da yauriba Yokrul District da Tenopal District da Chandel District da yauriba TANGKHUL Lairiba TANGKHUL khun mayam asigi student organization ni bu Sir Leisio Kaising asina chief host oibiraga haubudagi ngasi phauba matam kakpidun matam lothokpiraga magi lanthum leiba loinamak lothoga shimaina Southern TANGKHUL Student Union gi chief host oibiraga program apung pahan bagi damakta sir busu ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯩ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯖꯩ ꯁꯔꯕꯨꯁꯨ ꯇꯔꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟ ꯀꯌꯥꯗꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛ ꯀꯌꯥꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯕꯦꯔꯤꯒꯦꯠꯁ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛ ꯑꯦꯗꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯀꯌꯥꯗꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛ ꯂꯣ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯔꯗꯔ ꯀꯌꯥꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯊꯧꯒꯠꯄꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯐꯥꯍꯟꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤ ꯇꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯦꯔꯤꯒꯦꯠꯁ ꯀꯌꯥꯕꯨꯁꯨ ꯁꯥꯎꯗꯔꯟ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯨꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟꯠ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯌꯟꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯇꯔꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯔꯥꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯔꯤꯍꯥꯛ ꯈꯨꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯣꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯥꯎꯗꯔꯟ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯨꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟꯠ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯌꯟꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯐꯥꯍꯟꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯁꯨ ꯔꯤꯍꯥꯒꯤ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧ local organizing committee Riha KATAMNAO lakpiriba organization kayagi luching aina matam khibikta ikai khumnagadaba Southern Tangkhul Student Union gi unit president secretaries members punamak nakoi mayam gi cooperation dagi akoi gi ngasi inaugural function ase mapung phabani mapung phagadabani nakoi na asikuman utpiraga akoi gi program se mai pahandani haibai thajaba thambi bai damakta nakoi mayam busu ai hakki executive council gi on behalf tagi haram nongai ba phondokol loinana taram na okchari ngasi the 33rd General Conference comes Sports Meets 2025 Aikoigi team reasoning for optimal engagement of multifaceted challenges saina akoina thamni buse hoi aikoigi laiba aikoigi akoina thamiba Dr. Yoringa Maushi mahakna asigi team gi matangda naina biba mita hena haptagani adubu aikoina karigidamukta si hapkibra haibudi aikoi Southern Tangkhul Student Union ase kadaida karida akoina hujikti munna khalaga hena afaba thakta thangat sera haibigi wakhanonda aikoi si themsi thamjabani aduna ngasi simaina hainingi aikoi simaina sports ama host oba haibese sports ama chalaga participate oba haibese ngamningai gidamakta khak nate kari gidamak sigumba program ase thaina 1968 tagi hauraga hansingna tarokpadi aikoi amaga cooperation hena leiningai amaga relationship tu hena leiningai aikoi Southern Tangkhul Student Union che khoidya wangbada thagatningai haina aikoi family gi oina get together gi program ni aduna asida laiba akoi tiliba miyama se hojikti roof amai makada tilabani aduna asida hojikti akoi miyam se family ni iche ni egi yamani egi ipani imani sida tiliba se ngasi se family gi get together ni aduna sanaba khot sanaba gi manung asida karigumba adum khara nungai tabagi damakta khana chainaba kumba se akoi tauroi hen su khali chakot palam dadi a tha da chalaga mars da hingba chalage haina sem saraga leinabani adubu akoina adu chakot pagi matau ꯇꯝꯗꯕꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯏꯅꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯅꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯏꯜꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯀꯣꯄꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯋꯥꯡꯕ ꯊꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯠꯅꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯟꯒꯗꯕꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯔꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯁꯥꯎꯗꯔꯟ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯨꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟꯠ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯌꯟ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯨꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯥꯒꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯨꯔꯨꯞ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯑꯋꯥꯡꯕ ꯊꯥꯛꯇ ꯊꯥꯡꯒꯠꯀꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯋꯥꯡꯕ ꯊꯥꯛꯇ ꯍꯤꯡꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯇꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯄꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯁꯥꯎꯗꯔꯟ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯨꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟꯠ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯌꯟꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯉꯥꯡꯈꯤꯕꯗ ꯏꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯗꯛꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯕ ꯀꯌꯥꯃꯨꯛꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯐꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯁꯣꯏ ꯑꯅꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯁꯨ ꯉꯥꯛꯄꯒꯤꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯤꯆ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯇꯦꯟꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯒꯦ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ
That was such a powerful message. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you so much, Mr. Yerjiso Kashung, President Tangkhul AZE KATAMNAO, for your remarkable speech. Proceeding our program, now we have introduction and presentations. It is my pleasure to invite here at the stage Ms. Mahaimei Ningshin, Statistics Secretary Tangkhul AZE KATAMNAO, for introduction and presentation. Here nang so issue we TAKL shong we na mukhirang laka atam mukhirang laka kasa kang pai kuyaw kay ramray we na Simeon Varam Sir Simeon Varam kavaw ko ni shadalaya ka announcing buthili katagwi lungli karamilo na leader kar salaga way ning share.
Very good afternoon to you all. I would like to take time to introduce our today's dignitaries and also the privilege of presenting a token of love and appreciation to our eminent guests. May I call upon the President TAKL to hand over the presentation. May I request the dignitaries to kindly step forward as I call out your names. First of all, let me introduce our inaugural chief guest, Kuiru Nongtongbam Biren Singh, Honorable Chief Minister, Manipur. Now, we have our functional president, Kuiru Awangbo Nyumai, Honorable Minister, Water Resources, Relief and Disaster Management, Manipur. May I now request our guest of honor, Kuiru Leisangthem Sushindro Meitei, Honorable Minister, PHED, KEF and PD, Manipur. May we also have Kuiru Konthodam Govinda Singh, Minister of Youth Affairs, Sports, Manipur. May I now call upon the backbone of this event, our chief host, Queer Leisio Keishin, Honorable MLA 43 Punggye AC, without whom this event would not have been possible. May I also call upon T.H. Biswajit Singh, Honorable Minister Forest, Power, Environment and Climate Change, Agriculture, Science and Technology to kindly step forward. May I also request T.H. Shanti Singh, MLA 27 Moirang AC to kindly step forward. Now I call upon K.H. Ibomcha Singh, MLA Lamlai AC. May I also call upon S. Premchandra Singh, MLA Kumbi AC. May I request M. Rameshwar Singh, MLA Kakchin AC to kindly receive our gift. May I now call upon the headman of the host village, Quiril Unganing Mahung, headman Riha village. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯝꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯜ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯏꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯄꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯔꯥꯎ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯅ ꯂꯧꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯤ. Thank you.
Thank you so much, the TANGKHUL AZE KATAMNAO Executive. While proceeding with these presentations, I would like to take this opportunity to grab a few of your seconds to hand over a token of love and appreciation to our beloved Chief Guest, Shri Nongthombam Biren Singh, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur from TNVSA, TANGKHUL Naga Valley Student Associations, a student body who bridged the gap between hills and the valley in the foothills. To our chief guest from TNVSA, may I take the honor to call upon Mr. Biren Singh, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur. Thank you so much. And also from Game Village, Imphal. And also from 43 Punggye Mandal. Third Punggye Mandal.
Thank you, Statistics Secretary, for the introduction, and thanks to the participants in presentation. We are privileged to have Lashio Romisam Merchang join us on the stage for Riha Brief History Report.
A pleasant afternoon to everyone gathered here. I present to you Riha at a glance, an idyllic village situated between Imphal East and Mabitel Hill Ranges in the east, a heaven for everyone who loves to live in peace. Riha village, officially known as Riha Lote, has been in existence since time immemorial as the common tradition of our forefathers. The village is accessible by Yangampokpi Riha Road from Imphal Ukru Road. The Mabitel Hill Ranges in the east are covered by lush green subtropical virgin forests where more than 100 species of fauna and flora are found abundantly. The biodiversities here are really a gift of the Mother Nature for human existence. From this forest, profuse perennial fountains supply water to 6 surrounding villages. In the mid-19th century, continual outbreak of cholera, the deadliest epidemic of that time in the village, almost reduced its population to only 10 people hailing from the then headman's family. But fortunately, by the grace of God, many TANGKHUL folks from different directions came to permanently settle down here at this village at the behest of the then headman. Now, our village professes Christianity with Reverend Gazip Miningshen as our pastor. Today we have altogether more than 30 sub-clans, including clans comprised of 250 houses with a population of 1,200 as per census of 2021 and have Unganing Mahung as our acting headman. The main occupation includes cultivating but also fishing because the common pool of natural resources best for agriculture lies in the eastern flank of the Mabitel Dam. Nevertheless, we also have around 85 government employees and many others venturing in private sectors and business prospects. We had the privilege to host AZE KATAMNAO Long General Conference cum Sports Meet in 1979, and now, after 45 years, we have the privilege to host it again. As you can see, our village has spent around 1 crore to give the best experience we can. We hope and pray that each and every one of you who have come here at Riha village have a memorable and wonderful time. Long live Riha. Thank you.
We feel privileged to have had the opportunity to hear the said report. Thank you. Next, we move on to speech segment that is going to be started with a welcome speech. Please be invited Kuiru Unganing Mahung, headman of Riha village, for the welcome address.
Good afternoon, everyone. With open arms, I welcome all the leaders and delegates of the 68 unit cadres here at Riha today for the 33rd General Conference cum Sports Meets of TANGKHUL AZE KATAMNAO Long 2025. The chief guest of this inaugural function, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren Singh, Functional President Shri Awongbao Nimai, Honorable Minister of Water Resource and Relief Disaster Management, the guest of honor Shri Laisingtem Susindro Maite, Honorable Public Health and Engineering Department, Department of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Manipur. Shri Govindas Kundamjam, Honorable Minister, Works and Yards of Government, Manipur. Shri Minister, Persuasive Minister, Power and Forest, Environment, Climate Minister. Chief Host, Shri Leshio Keishing, Honorable MLA 43 Phungyer AC. Shri Iboja Singh, Honorable MLA Lamlai AC. Shri M. Rameshwar Singh, MLA Kakching AC. Shri Shanti Singh, MLA Moirang AC. Shri Pejamdra Singh, MLA Kumbi AC. And all the distinguished dignitary present on the dais today, I extend my heartiest welcome on behalf of all the people of Riha village. At this August gathering, I would like to take the opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri N. Biren Singh, for the multitude of developmental works rendered to our village. With under the initiative of Honorable Leshio MLA, we have the Eklavya Model Residential School that awaits its formal inaugurations and opening, blacktopping of the IVR leading to the village from Yangpopi, constructions of veterinary office, water pipeline available to each household in each village, constructions of 33rd TANKKHUL conference stage, constructions of football field number 2, blacktopping to IVR from Riha village to playground, and lastly, village gate. We eternally indebted to your kindness, and we are greatly honored by your presence today. Shri Awongpao Nimai, Honorable Ministers of Water Resource and Relief of Disaster Management, Manipur. Sir, with your help and support us to host this mega event successfully. Our sincere thanks to Shri Leshio MLA Honorable 43 Phungyer AC and the chief host of this event. You are indeed the torch bearers, and we are really appreciate your innumerable contribution for every developmental work taken place in our village. Lastly, I wish the best of all the participant athletics and everyone who will be on these exciting 13 days of events at my village. Now, as a token of our love and appreciation, we have some gifts to present our esteemed guests from Riha village, Riha church, and local societies.
Hello. To all our esteemed guests, we are truly honored and delighted to have you with us. Riha Village, in our various capacities, would like to reciprocate the tremendous love that you have shown for us with a few humble gifts. We shall commence the presentation with the headman of Riha Village, Shri M.H. Unganing, presenting a TANGKHUL traditional shawl to the inaugural chief guest, Shri Nongtongbam Biren Singh, the Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur. Sir, would you please kindly step forward to receive the gifts? Next, we have the Chairman and Secretary of the Local Organizing Committee, Riha, presenting a TANGKHUL Lungpi Hum to the Honorable Chief Guest. Next, we have the Riha Village Authority with a basket of local products. From Reha Baptist Church, we have our Reverend Kazip Ningshen, the pastor of Reha Baptist Church, honoring the honorable chief guest with the TANGKHUL traditional muffler. Then the deacons will present yet another basket of local products to our honorable chief guest. Following this, we have the Women's Society and the Youth Society Reha with their gifts. Finally, we have the Reha Government Employees Welfare Association presenting the Honorable Chief Guest with a Naga spear and a basket of local products. The spear is a traditional symbol of a leader, a warrior, and a protector. This is our sincere prayer that as the leader and the father of the state, you will be ever victorious in bringing peace and prosperity to our land. Thank you, sir. Moving forward, we welcome our distinguished functional president, Shri Awangbao Newmai, Honorable Minister, Water Resources, Relief and Disaster Management, Manipur. The headman of Reha village will present a TANGKHUL traditional shawl to the Honorable Minister. Followed by presentations from the local organizing committee Reha and Reha Baptist Church. Sir, you have been on this journey with us since the very beginning, and your magnanimous contributions have added to the fullness of its day and the days ahead. Thank you, sir. Next, we also have with us a very dynamic and young leader, Shri Thongam Biswajit Singh, Honorable Minister, Power and Forest, Environment and Climate Change, Agriculture, Science and Technology. Sir, we would like to honor you with a few gifts from the Reha Village Authority, the local organizing committee Reha, and the Youth Society. Reha Village Authority, then the Youth Society, and the local organizing committee Reha with a basket of local products. Thank you, sir. We are deeply grateful for your august presence today. Next on, we have a token of welcome and honor from the Reha Village Authority for the distinguished guest who is also a very seasoned and generous leader, Shri Govindas Kontaujam, Honorable Minister, PWD, Youth Affairs and Sports. Reha Village Authority, Students Union Reha, and the local organizing committee Reha. I'd like to request the audience to kindly applaud while the gifts are being distributed. Thank you. Thank you, sir, for taking the time to join us. Next, we have a lineup of gifts for our beloved chief host, Shri Leishio Keshing, the Honorable MLA, 43 Pungyer AC from Riha Village Authority, Local Organizing Committee Riha, and the Women's Society. Thank you, sir. We are in perpetual debt to you as we have received time and again your multitudinous benevolence, thoughtfulness, and generosity. We salute you, sir. Thank you. There was slightly an error from my side. I would like to apologize for that. We have our honorable guest of honor. We would like to welcome you for encouraging us with your gracious presence today. The Honorable Minister of Public Health Engineering, Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Sri Leishangtham Susindro Maitei. We have the village headman honoring the Honorable Village with a traditional TANGKHUL shawl, after which there are presentations from the local organizing committee Riha and also the Youth Society. We thank you for your engaging presence today. Thank you, sir.
Yarina, Yauya aina mazat mihai vlogji na tumli saklak aina kajitaini. Itum formal program hi singkafie na tum na zat kangai va kangai le salala. Hun kachang va khang mi lak logji hi na tumli saklak ini rikoi sak ngai nei. Itum ya zing le dekli sitting chobo gere yang gatali ma matalak manai. Na tum na gatiaw ka hun kamang la khang mi logji saklak ina po kangai nei ning share.
Up next, we welcome all the honorable MLAs who have honored this event by engaging us with your dignified presence today. Sir, we would like to give some gifts from the Riha Village Authority. First, we have Sri T.H. Ibomcha Singh, Honorable MLA Lamlai AC. Chairperson, Manipur Handloom and Handicraft Development Corporation. Next, Sri S. Premchandra Singh, Honorable MLA, Kumbi AC. Sri T.H. Shanti Singh, Honorable MLA, Moirang AC. And finally, Sri M. Rameshwar Singh, Honorable MLA, Kakching AC. We are truly honored by your presence today. Thank you. Sri T.H. Ibomcha Singh, Honorable MLA, Lamlai AC, Chairperson, Manipur Handloom and Handicraft Development Corporation. Sri S. Premchandra Singh, Honorable MLA, Kumbi AC. Sri T.H. Shanti Singh, Honorable MLA, Moirang AC. And Sri M. Rameshwar Singh, Honorable MLA, Kakching AC. We are truly gratified with your presence today. Thank you for joining us. Moving on, we have the Riha Village Authority honoring Sri M.K. Prisho Shimre, BJP State Spokesperson, former Deputy Speaker, Manipur Legislative Assembly. We are beholden to your continued goodwill and generosity. Thank you, sir, for being with us once again. After which, we welcome Sri Hopingsan Shimre, retired IRS officer, former President TANGKHUL Nagalong with a gift from the Rehab
Sibu organized to Biriba certain TANGKHUL Students Union gi member Punamak organizing committee gi member Punamak Pusohang Nikai Kumnabuchari Dice selection Biriba Dignitaries Punamak Ehang Nikai Kumnabuchari Quite Maruina Nasisi Amukta Tung Indaba Ekoi Punamaki Yamba Honorable Chief Minister gi Ildes brother Ama Ekoi Dice selection Biri Ehang Nikai Kumnabuchari Mang the Lengshin Biriba Tongan ba village dagi asigumba conference kam sports miss asibu saruk ya biga doriba ai silinao tungi embirelo biga doriba satra naharol khwai khibik print amasung electronic media gi media persons ladies and gentlemen ai wayam sang ngang jaroi mang do uri bai sing se as a head Mr. Biren, who is the present chief minister, was not the IFCD minister. He don't have water in this dam. He inaugurated all the dams. Mapithel Elias Thobal Dam, Dolai Thabi Dam, Khuga Dam. Semana inaugurate tauramaya. Mana Minister IFCD or matam Ekoi quite again of Havani General Conference. Seeing is believing Hana. Kungang Punamakala Riba now sings Bapa Mamada Koi Punsilla Heraga Amaga Wari Sanaraba, Paudoknaraba, Tamoigi, Wari Mayam Sanara Kandadi, a Koi Naxilak Pahele. When we meet each other, we come more closer in our heart. Aduna I quite unity to Gaibangam there. Quite again, Nungaze, I Harauze, Aduna I Su Wisto Jarimadudi, Kuntragom do Suba General Conference, come sports meet us here. My Pakwa Oina February Tang, Amapawa, Satar the Naba, Ishona Thousand, Pibi Rasano Hatanaina, Ishoda Kurumjari, Ekoi. Rajdigi matangda aina khasitang panjarabada ranti tauribasi for the welfare of our people, to promote our youth to excel. Kamtheng na makhoi si yauna ba makhoi na illiba sports to oirasu lairik tamado oirasu culture gi lamdo oirasu aduna adugumbagi achauba opportunity ama Asigumba General Conference come sports Mr. Sida. So in a piba oigani. I koigi Ranti Tawumatamda microphone nama ubada pangangang ba pangai haiba ngamoy do busukai so haiba do Honorable Chief Minister ihai haigande. Adong asai I was really surprised. Memorandum people akpada Honorable Chief Minister na. Madugidu Yagadom Bandena, just face the high. Aduna Queen Kanza Matamda, politics of Wahabasi, Prasagi welfare, Prasagi Farana, but the Makatabani, Tingain and other politics of Unatem. Keep on attacking to the Honorable Chief Minister and Honorable Government. Makoi Singsi, Akoi aiding Raziam Habamidinate, in Rajida, Ani Kaklay, Amana male factor Habama. I'm a benefactor. Those who gives benefits, those who give benefit to the people, benefactory. Malefactor, who always try to criticize. In miti, hengat na nabatauba. Political gain tauna bagi na makatauba. Mayama may koy na taafang ewa. Ako'y ngangoy na ngang dabani. Ngarang khakta ranti de yawami na ngasi oza oigre ranti gi. Ngarang khakta heads out from the egg. As a politician, become a master of politics today. Asine ko ni am checking ngadaw say. We have to be very careful of these people. Adna ina politics si maram da si khatang haijage mathang da sports ki Honorable Chief Minister himself is a good sports person. National player oire ima Honorable Chief Minister se national player oire pani aduna magi focus magi aning basi naharol sing si masa mau fana thamna bahona bada sports si ang mathau tai discipline semna na bahona ba magi moral character semna na bahona bada koi sports si ang mathau tai aduna Honorable Chief Minister ki vision makada sports ki sibling sports person sing si phagana na ba every village sing sida playground thamna na bagi ma ki program ama lei OVOP one village one playground ama already launch so bahogre madu ki khudong sabadu mafam masidadi playground already leiramnina atop atopa khungangi mi lakpiri basing mafam da playground lei hauda basing do through the Honorable MLA who is the chief host of this conference come sports meet aigi inau laisio kaising Honorable MLA da ye through the gi ta wiba yagani masidanate Honorable Chief Minister na khanmasi leihori bami sports person di oiba yamna national ge level da thu okanda medal phanghodaba medal phangma makhaidi aya mana government gi employment oiba yaure o heudaba mayam do gi life sikramai lelangmani mana khanmani ko Honorable Chief Minister na aduna national player oiroba afaba sanaroi mayam leiramba sing government gi job ki opportunity di phangidra kambu se makhoi de so khoina pension pieba he launched in 2023 sports person retired tawraba sing sigi su akhoi paisa pieba pension pieba adu da nate horen Honorable Chief Minister mayam habirakani akhoi sana khonaba sinanga saina haijabado akhoi punsin mangame akhoi se Cold War later fawada akhoi sana bana akhoi se punsin mangame aduna sana khonaba si yamna mathau tai masida pangba yaba mateng akhoi Honorable Chief Minister nanga si pangro lakpiri tungda lakadaba kaya da su akhoi mateng soidana sarkar asina under the dynamic leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister mateng panghigani haibagi aset pathajaba si thamjabaga loina ay amukka hanna 33rd General Conference come Sports Meet 2025 ase mapung phana ningthi jana asoi angam yaudana pangthokpa ngamba oirasanu haidana ayhak ishoda khurum jabaga loina mayam punung ko amukka hanna khurum jari Jai Hind thank you
Hello. Thagachari Honorable Minister Bu Tauramasiga Mari Lainaba Mamal Yamlaba Wafam Kaya Tamiram Bagidamak Hanhan Thagachari. Here Nangasunda Ishi members paying Ishi we Mangali Haimida Clay Sitila Jipui Mamanse Kuchunga Shop Mamanere Yangatali Masai Kongway Nagatay Himring Pamne Jena Atumui Aina Kanaka Paika Kuimang Maningla Itumnala Atumui expectation mid Sami Say Jena Tumli Ladlui Ladwida Pokangaine. Furthermore, may I have the distinction of inviting our Honorable Minister Shri T.H. Biswajit Singh to ascend the stage for a short speech.
Yamai lo, Yamai che. Aham magtada. Sigi Yam Namaru Oiva Numit Aduba Kwegi Manipurgi State Hood Pankiva Numit Maxida Kwegi Pangtok Piriba 33rd General Conference come Sports Meet 2025 High River Program Ashibu Invitation Pibi Duna Lakpiriba Dubai Kwei Marwaina lusing purel oibiriba Manipurgi Kodo Hendongai Kai Kumnajariba Chief Minister Siri N Biren Singh Luina the market team Ai Shabu Suyauna Amadi Tungan Ba Ngasi conference at Sibu Ko Yawigani Haduna Tungan Ba Mapam Dagi 68 participants Lakpiripa Kudamaksi Kuna Tajabada Kaya to Yogdana Lak Mapam Sida Tungkiba Do Akoi Busu Mapam Asida Europa Matamda Kaya to Yogdana Kari Su Kaidana Ko Yohon Birakiba Sigidamakta Sargadala Ribai Shorbo Hang to die Ahangna Miami Mut Silaga Hana Tagapaga Pundu Palunina Makata by Quina Hangiba Amadi Sportsina Pangtokadava Nasi the Gipang to a Harakanda Pewari Tang Amabhokta Pangtokadava say Sibok to Su Hangipada Amadi Tauru Kudimakta by Shornam one PB Oishanu Haidana Kurumbagalunana I then take Wapong Kitang Tamjaga as you am the Loroiga I should Sakla me on a Siam Zulama money said the lady Bagas me am Loy Puk Kong of Actani. My arms is out of your Madidum Kong money. Adana I call you Awabatara Nungaiba moment Amuna Nungai Awaba Kaholi had in a Quimi arms and Nungai was Haragalo and a lady of Actani. Adana the saying like Quay Nasa Hibigre I am a pump billets at the Su participate to be there to Tuanba Sahi home Lerga Pangtopa a quick programs that Tuan village the Gi a quick Awa Nungai Amadi unity Amagi or Renabagi quick as I have given introductory speech a quick Ojamana get together program Amanena. At the state I quickly river Magi Jagada Magi experience Aduga Magi Jagada Kunskundala river Magi experience ma'am the explore town Hakan equipment exchange Torkanda Maduna Manava Kunai Amaduga society Ama Yam unity Lena Yam strengthen over same whatever the Chobumating or the program says Yamna Moro program in Hashu speaker Karana Havi give to any Sudum Moham Adubi endorsed Torga Yam the Moro program ni the machine Aquay machine Gamarta Liner Gap machine Aquay Machel Gamarta Liner Madungaita Mayamdo low and Aquay sports Dharma Kaide Jad Kaide Kuchu Kaide Karim the Kaide Aduna Sumain Tokana Manaba Makan Laiba Natabda Kenaba Mayam Lakwaja Sinanga City Equigi Manipurse upon Manipurama Manadaba Mayams in a Punjalaga Semam Bani Habasi Equi Kauri the Bani Hasima Tamjake Masima. Madam the Queen Gasi Pajaba Manipurama I say I quit a Pajabang actor to the same manati. Unity in diversity. How is it called? A sea Aquina Ningsing Pabra Hibdo a Mating Tamjabani Aduga Aquay Mayam High Equi. Who are Mayam? What is Mayam? I see a queen deeply Matamatangi Oina, I get another. I have another. Mayam say. We all together make Mayam. Who are Mayam then? Who includes in Mayam? See Mayam Punamang Manipura Ladiba, Jati Mayam Sing say, TANGKHUL Oigera, Maita Oigera, Ama Oigera, Punamaxing Pulakanda, Quise, Mayam Napulakanda, Manipurus Data, I quite shores in Equida, Lena Bagamuti. Pangiba Posacing do, Madu Tauri Harkan, which Chakots and Nabagi, Shona Pirama, with the Punamakinje. Adomio Ivana, with the development of the human Aquagi society is a the destruction is always happened, I would say. She should talk about the Nateba. And the destruction, how we have to protect and how we have to control ourselves, I would say. Sisu Gantamina Changra have to do some Tamjabani, a Hirena, Kangena, a Hijabanate, couldn't Tangaka, Agang, Wargasu, experiences. Mayam the thing of Poto sharing to Winarkanda, Manipura say, I am a me, I'm a Kataki Obiaroeba. Let them Ipa Puna. Awazing Lantanamba. Ado Maduki, Warizing Sum Kauchanarapa, modern society, Western society culture, Sum Lupakpa, a quick culture, Zinal like Toga Tamamba, Adubu, Ninjing Naba Haidana, quick honorable Chief na, a quiggy Nahangi Kanodo. Cinema Ama Pongadore. Sahi Tare Kuntakwana. I could give Manipurgi Puwarida, quite again Nuaitaba Warisi, Akwagi, Sahi Tare Kuntakwa Duni, Madu Kauki Poto, Kamaita of the Lamzika Laki, Kanakana Kalaki, Kanakana Yauki, madu pot kaurk selak pajina maram warkana ngasi di ai haiba khakta khana basina akoi masen je mache tarak na machak oibado nau na ninghan ningsing na ma haidana akoi honorable chief minister na madu gannahan akoi kano numita hudok pikre adu ngasi su nungai ba amana ai mayam da sum akoi honorable chief minister su panbirakani madu di karino haiba matamda akoi si kamaina manipur oirki kana age makot ge akoi si manipur de amuk regain tauki haiba posil oi kaurakpa sigi ngasagi matang duga du mari leine dubu masina educational akoi gi leiriba porta angang jing da quiz form da have the questions adu quiz leiriba post da no manipur na ngasi sularik ama akoi faraban mo isle da phombi ge se masi community leiriba khode mangna individual khode mangna yum da amom da thambina bai appeal tawjari request tawjari so that akoi gi leiriba ining thau mayam ga leineramba khun jingjiga mari aduga ining thau kana no khoi loi kawre ai se kawre tawda bang asi na hongna na akoi gi history leiriba post fact mayam jingje revive tawdargadi akoi masen je amta punjana ba yaroi da ba akoi masen ge marakta nungai ta pot mayam na thalngada ba pot to adu yenga ganda akoi honorable chief minister na tawse mayam punamak everyone is and everyone in manipur da leiriba pot punamak singsina appreciate tawam thu eje ai sengna thamjage ba masi wafam jema aduna koi tasengna leiriba kanoni akoi ngai ju habirame ai ju ten adum loisin jage adu ai riha te akoi rihagil village surrounding akoi toina dum lakpa ai kano lei traga su tumina dum lakpa mafong ngaktane ai am khangi tawda ba ai mafong gi leiriba tangkhul gi villaging ste ai ayam chattabadi yarom do mandre adu tangkhul gi leiriba sininaw mayam jina chattabo mafom bauta ai chatlaga leiraba ai amani mayam ste leiriing ste to som da border area do chatpasi pak pak leiram do mande bo khayang kari gi leiriba ports mayam jing je chattaba kyam do mande every border da leiriba poaching ji kari no ha se koi khangmina ba mayam dana war ga leli post do kamain ta dana koina ahum por ka dege shayad ne koina politics se dong sai lai do koi tamo ko midasan su panbira me politics se kaino politics se bo koi khana na mantra ka singchep thana mantra ka koi machin tawna na ba ai gi vote ka na ba tawna ko na ba da ai koi vote ka na ko ta mi phuna han ba duro ai gi wakhan de du laite ai ju politician oire patamam de oram de ai wakhan de politics is all about to bring changes in the society ahum program ki damukta ne ba aduga politics ne hujikte khoi leiriba postings dadi kana na kari tawi kana na kari ngangi aduga mp sing ne kari tawi adu masa ge leiriba constituency mp ki constituency da hoi ai jahai thi banati apha da competition tawba phata da competition tawda baje masi gi haina bije thamgada bani ha base ai thamjage basima aduna koi leiriba post da koi na mp ngange mp haite mp tawde haije banate moi respected ni people's representative ni akoi okpos makoi hen herangani angwadagi tawdabu akoi na kari darka level needs to adugi oina tawna bana phai adugi mahutta hunba chaiba adubu akoi gi ai ngasi leiriba state hut numbisu numbini aduga nungai raba koi conference gi maram da su kana gi sungangning de kana su training de tawdabu akoi na haning de akoi gi leibak se kana na palammi chahi kya India da Bharat ta amadi Manipur da state heru he phangba kana na palami mayam na khanabiro ai atai hajar roi ai man adu tormi jo point ngang na chechu ngam gani platform da adu ai hajar roi overall India da who rule the country for how many years and who ruined the country for the last many years ajay even in Manipur since akoi state root phangba dagi kamaina torki habse nainabiu maduna akhoi gi aseng ba maha ma tho kan da kana na mi hut no kana na kari tauri karam party ni hena tawi karam party ni hena phajana akhoi gi lebak da ngasi sakhang bi adu karam program scheme jing krai da lar bagi natraga larik tam bagi natraga businessman gi entrepreneurship ki leri bache reach out tawna honor e habse kana gi sarkar gi matam dano habse sisu akhoi praja ama oina akhoi se constitution right am the piri ba when anyone attend 18 age of the 18 years akoi loi mandate am the piri ba madui mandate to the value yamna value oiba mandate am ohenje habdu gi wakhalo ne ina hajening di aduna tana aigi magi ne torgadi akoi machine marakta su amagi marakta su dum sumaina dum torga laigani aduna masi nataba akoi apunba strong oiba akoi gi leriba sana khona bada oro cultural oro koi ngasi ase kasa haje gibni unity in diversity se khanne khena ba mayam leiba lon kya laigre tangkhul gi marakta su adugi tuan ba loan lady mayam sing khenaba the kuchu lady mayam atr lady mayam kujin lady mayam magi culture gi tom se loi lene sing sina ne khoi manipur apun manuk sinaba aphabam ohelami se masi kai na bo hona rakpase kari dagi no masi kahan gumsi adunga si unity leina toan ba apham dagi lakpiri ba praja sing sina punjal le har kan da khoi naungna khoi aphaba manipur nungai ban manipur ma sembado adu semina si habadu ge apel tawjabani aduna ngasi mayam pulakanda rihagi mafam da khodimakta ai gi habasu tawdaba yade adu miyam ge habasu tawsi adu akhoi mayam ge leibak ge habasu tawdaba yadabdo akhoi tawdang do wina de responsibility laitaba life to the life kogdaba mande adu challenging oiba life nataba life to the life kogdaba mande adu challenging oiba yamna kanoda competitive oiba life amada koi hinga chali masi koi da overcome tawba ngamna ba koi pandung pham yaw ngamna koi hotna ba kan ba haiba poto aduga koi hotna minaraga koi nungai minaba phaminna ba akan ba manipur ama semba akan ba riha village ama semba se koi khutta lai masi tawmina ji haiba se haijar ga ai matang swaida puna mo amaka hana kai kuna bo chubag loina ai puna mak phabina ba oisanu haidani sorda amaka hana from jabal loina ai matang tenji thank you very much jai hind.
We thank you, Shri T.H. Bishwajit Singh, for sharing your expertise and inspiring us. It is our esteemed privilege to invite Honorable MLA Quairil Leshio Kaishing on the stage for a short address.
Third TANKHUL General Conference cum Sport Meet and Literary Sigi program sida high rubuda request tawda ako Honorable Chief Minister magi thabak yam chinba Manipur pumbagi thabak laibsi thadooga akoi gi rihada sport meet sida lengsan bibagi yam nungai ba harau ba han ba da phongdok chai aduga akoi gi honorable minister sing akoi yam da sang na address tawjaroi matam laitabai chak sulam na re hai re adu ai budi lam de hujik si lam bu khang diri ma nungai mandana aduna akoi gi honorable minister Tamo Govindas, honorable minister akoi Sir Biswajit, honorable minister Sir Awangbo, aduga aigi colleague honorable MLA Santi, aduga honorable MLA akoi Tamo Ibomcha, akoi gi aigi colleague Oja Premchand, aduga aigi Marup Jara Misor, aduga sida lengsan bila mayam pumba da aigi ahanba noluk chaba aduga nungai ba phongdok chari kano singa sigi matam se aina wari ama lining ba ma nahan se meeting amanda chatpa program si TANKHUL sport si haunaba gidamakta chief guest o kari o mayam si arrangement matam sida yamna pukning warame karamai tawsira na midi 79 party teams lakpase nearly 3,000 to 5,000 si tilakani minimum si karamai minister wasira prathana tawbuni adu prathana tawbudu da karamai tawbang nan meeting am chatbada mi amana hairakpa sa tan bachake hana ma se prathana tawba sa chau piyo ko hana prathana to kanna tawba asing sa tan chatlaga matom chatla samu ama thengna ba Bordo sama piyo de samu piyo de ngasi jap manera ko honorable chief minister lakre minister sing loin lakre pi ga sa taw ga mayam taw bi gre yam harawe nungai aduna bor si akhoina thangba ngam ga ba akhoina pubu ngam ga bordo ni ga adu bu ngasi di bordo samu gi bor phangi aduna yam harawe nungai ai gi kendra se Aigi kendra si Kamjong district si kendra amani. 1 MLA, 1 kendra, 1 district. 1 DC, 1 SP. Aduna 1 ni. Masigi kendra si kiam chauge erga 2,400 square kilometer chaubuni. Ako honorable minister Oja Susindron he gaib na nang dada lawe hai. ama haire nang da lawe hai law shu amada mel shu shup than da ba kabo we Imphal Valley dei kabo valley yaw ne ngasi mi tiliba mayam se kabo maron ngang ba haiba mayam yaw ne a kabo valley yaw dei asumba yamna sotharaba yamna lairaba hiram khuding makta akhoi gi sinpham da oisu akhoi human resources akhoi gi lairik laisu tamada sendan lambi da business ta su yam sotharabni khunga ama khunji kilometer kunthra nifu kilometer mari manga lapna risiwai sikaktani atopadi 15 20 30 lapna bni football ground ngasi siumba football ground sabse yumlak kunthra gi su football ground amba yumlak chama gi su football ground amba nang di yumlak tara manga ni na household tara manga ni football ground macha ma sabi ade noi khun pik e na lambi macha ma sabi ade aduna si mayam manage tawbuda ngasi se ai se public mayam da haijarib se ako nung amana uchek ani kapagi wari ne ese public na su saudana ba ako honorable minister sing ado honorable chief minister na su ni buganda mai haidana ba nung ani au uchek ani nung amada adu haijabane asigi se aigi kendra sida hojeki 79 teams haibase arrive nate asi sanabse host tawba ngamba khunsi leitrami si host tawba ngamba khunsi yamdreba ngasi sida host tawse riha yam waram 79 teams host tawse toilet dagi ising dagi mai dagi football ground dagi campsite saba dagi chana thakna badagi kanu mayam si arrangement tawbada yam ware aduna ai ngasi honorable chief minister ado ka koi YAS minister akoi honorable tamo goinda su leri aduna mafam amada loina chahi kuding da nungti chahi kuding mang da sumaina sara chattaba rotation da chatpani mafam amada pulap saraga institute chu hangba yaba aduga sport su training karigra tawba yaba adu mafam du da khun gi masa ge heritage ki type ta masa khun gi yum du saraga apamba khun gi youth sing na saraga mafam du da chahi kuding tawsi are du da hojik de 3 years tawbune hojik di adu du leibi ready chahi kuding da sport match taw su yai aduna angasi ai honorable chief minister da mayam gi mahutta ngasi request tawbune sport complex ama with training institute multi sport discipline gi ama akoi kendra sida amadi sahanninge masi honorable chief minister nasu khara khanbiraga manasu accept tawigini khandana haijabane ngasi gi sports event sida Kamjong district ta adu ngasi gi sports event si karamana success oi khibra hardi akoi PSED se PSED yamna ising habsidi essential ni lunan bada thakna bada chana bada sengdok na bada mayam sing darkar oiba masi gi sida akoi PSED department na mateng yam pangi kem da pipe thunghan biba aduga sanitation gi karnoda mayam akoi honorable minister lesangtham susindro magi makhada akoi kamjong gi akoi gi division chamdanlung moina chingaga mayam kem site ta ising yohan biba sanitation toilet karigra si mayam de mating pami adu thagat pa phongdok chabani aduga water resource akoi honorable minister awangbo the high rubuda mana sigi dam si water resource makhad laibina moina how they moina cooperation PBA moina campsite saba football ground takpa lambi semba kano sida moi moina mating pangbi ne moi su thakachei ha khubak mathang phubi si akoi kari su pi ngai le te khubak khak ti pi ho se ba akoi aduga akoi gi YS sports akoi tamu goindas ki department na football volleyball along with nets moi na su pi bini masi ju khubak phubiu adu maru oina PWD si nahan ay lakma matamda game site se ngasi sumai na yamna fresh air breathing tawra leibse PWD na pibani hype tai nahan de upun se inchi anini thar le rambani gari chatpa yade khong na chatpa phau yade upun thokpani adu dai khudakta honorable chief minister na ai lakpam da ai upun namba yare ko hairu degi upun thokan ba yare ko haibu degi si khudakta within 3 days manung da black top tawbani ngasi si mayam thagat na oye yam nungai jai aduga akhoi gi sigi khungi local organizing committee yam waram tha ani ahum si tum chaba khangdrabni mai nahan sida aina lambi yeng lakta magi nupi se angang puraga si le nangi papa de ka jir tha amni sure masa udaba haire adu wa kramni aduna mathangda sport si TANKKHUL sport conference ni gadaba khundo phajana khalla pibiyo aduda nibiyo natradi mayam suwai akhoi suwai ai suwai mayam suwai ba aduna phajana arrangement duda arrange tawba ngamgadawba mafam chaba adu yengaga venue du akhoi TANKKHUL gi executive sing dasu adu khun gi delegates mayam dasu ai si request tawning mani aduga TANKKHUL gi functionary mayam se paisa thibda wa khramni moi chatpada adu moi dam de nga thiraga mi de mayam da minister mayam da thinra kadai da thinra nga kilo 10 manga o kilo 9 mapan puraga mayam chatla kayam phangbra khangdi adu moi na so moi si ware yam problem le hai adun aina hairim as long as I honorable chief minister mayam si leiring edo noi wan nga karim ta leite just nokphet tawraga moi pharau na receive tawbiro dum piradabni en haikram ya yam thagat chare akoi mayam minister mayam aduga honorable MLAs mayam aigi tolaba lairaba wa sotharaba constituency manung sida riha sida lakpiba aduga riha gi problem siwai gi problem main problem ngasai moina su haire phungyer gi this subdivision da yaw buni se moi subdivision chatpa se sidai 100 more than 100 kilometer chatpani aduna moina ni bisina sida SDO office block amadi upgrade tawbiro rihada hakum ako honorable chief minister na rihada SDC office ti hangbi khramne khut mayam khubak khubi se aduna madui SDC office to block ta upgrade tawbiyo habsi request ni aduna mayam to khramne adu honorable chief minister lady mamang da aina hype di nuaiti ma masana hype so amuk nuaita ba adu ai tilap na haijage akhoi ki phungyer kendra sida 2400 square kilometer sida thabak tawgrab si chauman bagi akhoi yamna dum mitta u phangdabni chaithokpadadi whole constituency manung sida khwaidagi every year program oibra project oibra kadi oibra mayam se akhoina phangmani chaumandana mafam amada thammadi pura city on ba yabasu leibani adu chauman bagini aduna yam thakachare mayam sida telapna team lakpasingda aina haijaning mana tangkhulonda haijage team mayam dane si isi hidada gakjib hi yui khwai ina sappe ina themme ina mathame thui kaji thai chi mangmaning jidla china akathang maning mane yur gaji hi hidada idhum khok kasala apam ngatai ngata da winda ragajip laga idhumui kasai kasak atui ala chanhan lahan idhumui kharing kharak naramui matha mai thui gajiji hili raj thing rokis idhum akhne gaji hi higda gajip hin khangadai binge na magajipai mane idhum hi akhane jiwang hili platform akhli gajip kho hili ngamung sa khwai naramui ajam chaksimai thui gaji naramui mak phaji khongrau khaw lungni la atara jingni namhai salo makhui sok lo hili matha mai thui ji hili soke songsan hili chaksimai thai paimra khamalip kaja khamang khangmu khangsau yushat yangshat maphungra paim hili iji chawi ji kamposalo arek sakrek na kya ka chaksila la hili wa sarek lo na ka phada ka menjat nang kya mok thiba mi oiresu phattaba mi oiresu ada du thamama sida di khwai da phaba sarag ko na sak khwai thiresu sida powder tairo khwai phajabai type ta nan na lu nan chatlo tamnaro lausing launam haiba hingba gi pambai ko mina tamba yaba gi moong da layo ko noi khun gi phattaba noi khun gi nang gi lamchat phattaba mayam do a kem manung da bek ta solo la thamma masida purak pa yaro aduna date 1 phawba ana yek laitaba khatna chainaba laitaba thakpa chaba ngausanaba leiba yade date 1 manung phawba loina cooperation pinasi aduga asigumba conference sport pangthokpagi free da empty handed ta mai thira hanba kana su oidanaba mayam mai paraga mayam aphaba amamam di lausalaga chatnaba thaurang tausi hairaga mayam bugo laibak phaba oyo hairaga sida tension lagi. Thank you.
Thank you. Your captivating stage presence is a testament to your skill and dedication. Equally important, may I also have the distinction of inviting Honorable Minister Shri Leshangthem Susindro Meitei to ascend the stage to share a brief remarks.
Good evening, everyone. Southern TANGKHUL Student Union gi kuntrago humdoirok suba conference amasung sport meet astage da tais lengsin breba Honorable Chief Minister Buikai Kunuchari, Honorable Minister, Honorable MLA, aduga official amasung village head adog mangda lengsin breba mayam punong su ai kai kunuchari nasige jaga se anirak subne aina sida laksagi huse adu matam da deina ahamba lamba da de MLA su oidri adu matam da mukhak lakre adu gi matung da sta mu sige sungma program se sta yaujo se anda kisna anirak subne yamnu nungai adu aina na si khunjida lakpa se sta yamna nungai ba ma phawse kaino da khogi si khunjida is a pull up ahumari tabasigi marketplace se lamlong bazar ne ba ana lamlong bazar oibani na dum mayam se lakpani na khangna chana ba mayam su dum thengnai aduna yamna nungai sigi khundagi khoi krai lamlong bazar da lakpi dana business to biriba mayam promota muka ain thagachari aduga amana khoi nasi se tasengwi udi Southern TANGKHUL gi mayam se pulap pullawni na ai sum kai gum bakhra ai thamjaning bakhra lei akhoi honorable MLA se taseng na ma har kanda ai gadi yam lulu na sitin na yam khatna gan bai ba ne se tu maina adum tawni maram de kai na ma de ma khun gi dang adum loge ba aduna sai hai gi do DC jo ama SP jo ama loi amom ne magidi MLA so ama akhoi gi Imphal East yengo MLA ke ano DC ke an DC de ama khata MLA de masing mayam ad mai di loi nong phangam ne opportunity se adana ma de hek kitang phangau da bada nungdang da aingon da khana ba hor ka doi ba adana ai ma se ki ta seng na kan da aduna si ma mayam se pulap pulam nirmana khara mamang da hek lan chigi hojik tawriba issue sigi horokpa matamda aina monda yam hai ai magi kendra da magi last village haiba tare himin thana paikhoche chalure maga akoi mamangi last time da haiba tare chalu matamda ai yam phajai jaga se adunang adugi mafam dagi su akoi stage da lakpa mi so yawramane southern ching manina ko aduna laiba stage da ai monda hek horokpa da hai nang akhoi e valley da leiba gi budi problem leite adubu nakhoi ching da leiba mi sing de hoji kwai de gi luri je noi hana de noi gi boundary si am chawrame hoji mana have the 2400 square kilometer ne hana ke am chawrongge hana de de hena chawrongoni hoji ti pm ngoni da 2400 tadi hoji ki wani nasi de gi 10 years back 15 years back tadi adu de hena chawrongoni aduna khoi valley da di problem leite nasi honorable chief minister na matha sai je nokhoi gi damakta ni maruina specially southern tangkhul ga aduga khoi gi maruina kawi chinnaw sing hai tar jelerong gi se hojik nasi gi thoiba issue is the quite again so is sigi mafam ani sine ba noi khoi na di hoi ngahak tang gi thangnaba border da issue myam tholokpa da khoi mateng pang da ya de adu de khoi gi humanitarian oina khoi mateng pang mata bani adubo shelter piraga masa khangdo mi singdo loinung lehen gibdagi di nasi ke dore moino ne lamma pu oikre aduna si noi tan ba hore aduna na saidagi ibani ngangnam se khoi meitei ga ibani tinare adubu marakta di khun ani hum lepaga leire kamaini ibani tinani fencing amagi marakta ana ibani nasi ngangnam mis aduna hojik southern digi laiba kaungu singse taseng na ha kan di yamna kiningai oiba quite most dangerous oiba adumba tangkhul community da southern haibe jaga se oib maram din khoina leiba jaga singse mi atopana na khoi gi lammun gi haraga leiba mi singna koisel leiba jaga ngata da wone leib akhoi na sisi maina ngangai se atai gi nate akhoi kaisu akhoi da tongan ba wakhan adu da leite akhoi honorable chief minister na akhoi punni hingmina ji haibe se akhoi leiba ngata ne adubu hingmina se haiga su mapan de lakpa mina khoi mapu oibadi yaroi haibadune khoina kanna huji haisi leibi ai temporary matam kragi oina adubu nasidi akhoi punamak se loinamo akhoi gi hanagi indigenous people singi akhoi platform do akhoi hanagi indigenous people sing the leimin number sing do nasi lerak pa yadre aw naina community sing paning da bagini ta seng na ha kan de ta seng na makidi hojik yamna kiningai oraba adu ma southern tangkhul gi leiriba jaga se masi akhoi yam section bada kale yam section logdraba akhoi kuihoroi a manung da leiba ukhul leiba natraga son da leiba naga sing da sokte hojik senapati district da leiba naga sing da kaim soktamne moi kaim ta problem leite sida leiriba southern gi jaga da leiriba jaga sing da di tangkhul sing naga sing da di kyam soi masi akhoi khangba darka lei aduna aidi ta sengnamak yam sengna harakan da haining base akhoi tinazariba akhoi marom pang sing akhoi indigenous people sing ne na haiba sing je akhoi punna chamina raga akhoi leiriba thawuk sing tawgada thawuk sing je tawmin da ba yaroi akhoi honorable MLA na SAB session da pangiba sing no mayam dum pangbirangani tabirangani akhoi yam darka lei akhoi sungumba war on drugs honorable chief minister na tawri pose masi yam darka lei masi akhoi support to darka lei masi akhoi punna chamina si haibdo ado si mang da leiba dam haibatare sidagi loin puraga imphal gi ising loin nung thai nesda adu kana go miyoi kharana di akhoina thai be ising de pesticide hapaga madu sinana hona da natte ai gi department da mafom kaya da sumba issue sing thokre aduna hojik akhoi gi tangkhul community chin law sing na nungsinabani akhoi chap manaba lining money and a kalaganda, lum karapiraga, palm yan yena, palm yala loga last the popi harakana nasi, carifium the yore. Canada way, drugs they acquainted Louis way. A younger generation the Louis way. Adana summa mayam lay, adu I nasigi nasigi program asigi kudong sabalozeraga, I carigumba wafong kratamzage. A quay Mio Karana Haita Nasa Honorable Minister and Supan Bigido. Mio Karana, a quay short Yam attain but Matamsa is a politics master over Mika Yaurize. Masi Yam danger. A quay indigenous peoples in the Yamna danger. Maduma party though. Maduma party, Congress party say, a quay indigenous people quite the most dangerous over Aduma party more. Madam the Mayamna the Kangam the VA. Nasi Tamna sum. Nasi haukiba chahi ani mufaga doriba issues is that akoi mathang hana kari dormi akoi kamaina loisana ba akoi kamaina akoi sigi phiom je tar na hona bada kamaina tawgige habase nasi dagi 30 years plan doroga toropa pot ne habje congress ki chinau singda khangadam ni akoi tumin lei akoi wangang de akoi chaide ana akoi ngamdabai nate akoi khange akoi wangang or kai gana duino na ado moigi Moina Sungang Bodo, Sumboina Mayam Lobino. Monday Nasisudum Haisini, Congress say, season #1 indigenous peoples in Mutalaga, outsiders in the Pusalaga, Manipurs, they settled to Holaga, Ako indigenous peoples in Mutana Wonder is at the party Nanate, Congress party Nane. Ada Akoi Kang the Wichin Laos in Karana, Adam support the Live. How give a Lok Savagi election the Mayam and Ubirongoni. Matau karamna vote kaki Congress na false propaganda me am tauroga madu tauroga vote kaki nasidi kai oire nasidi kai film de lede si akoi khangde akoi lamdu pithoga mi atop da lehellaga akoi community sing natragana akoi gi indigenous people sing mangan gi habdu da akoi dum support tau legedra akoi leiba sarkar asdi kange na leiba dumba sarkar ne aunai maming yam paningde ai ga di yam luna tinajaba Ado matamam the so koi dum tinajaba koigi sugnugi koi honorable MLA Tamor Ranjit I think around katang unif kano that my Facebook ta I say uchina koigi turen kahengi na mana adamai na mati ngambui ado I na nasi haininge mati katang tabra full di tabra mati katang Congress mati tang tawon maneba I di full tabi oba ina ngang masindo Aigi matam do ida aigi kendra da kamani ising kai gi have the madu uchi makhunda gi toro kai gi bane na hai bane ba ado mana suna kan da mai ngang le na sikhak ai ure ado ai yam ba se ai na di yam mun na khalu yam lu na khalu bane ado yam lu na khalu mi se mate ki mi oi le me yam nungai te lai bak thi bane mate ka tang ta bane mate ki mi ne ado na moi na ngang ba se khoi praja sing na basan ta bai de nungai ni thabo lai thabo mayam na Adu practical in the Nungai the Mande. Other Mate Kangu Sikra, a way Karalam the Laminova pay, Adona Hoi Honorable MLA, a way Sugunugi, Yamber and Jet, Yam Nuxiza Yamanedu, Yambana Sidagi, the Ainanganje was a full tabiraga. Ngangbio, Aduna Hena Prajasing the Ado Congress image of funny and I smash of my Tamzaning, Adana Lucinja Pada, a way Nasigi. Program Haibatare, Hoi Maruina, Sai, Manning the gang on the Kin the Tilakravani was Aigi Honorable MLA, was a Lesiosina, no MLA Minister Singna, Mike the Zuhik Hire Medo, Laise, I Tandana Loinum Putopudding and whether Nang Natandana Lois Avanina, Nang Natandana Loinum Muto, Nang Natanda Puto Hibani. Adoma Nasikra, Hoi the Kraputopira Mona Krahai, other day Masing the Palorege, Angamba, Ahoi. Matiang Pangjaram ge na is maisum haijaraga amukan na mayam puno pukurumjar.
Hello. Thank you so much, Sri Leshangtam Susindra Meiti, for your insightful and thought-provoking address. Indeed, that was such a powerful address. Coming on to the next, we have one short presentation once again. To commence with, first of all, I would like to call upon AZE Singh, the eldest son of Chief Minister, Shri Nongthambam Biren Singh. This presentation is from Village Authority of Riha Village. In addition, we have another one, which is Sana Jauba, Personal Secretary to Chief Minister Shri Nongthambam Biren Singh. Yawi Saiko na pang PMC.
Ram asigi makha chatharajakpa oina Chief Guest ki famfam langda lengsin biriba His Excellency Ming oina hangat charabada Shri Nongthombam Biren Singhabu wafam khara thambinaba nolukna hangat chari.
Yamilo. Yaminsi. Ngasi se akhoi Manipur na statehood phangba Bharat ta British na 1947 ki August ki 14 da akhoi thado ame British ki colonial rule dagi 47 dagi na akhoi 48 49 ki bhawbai akhoi se independent kingdom moina country moina leye adu manung da akhoi even akhoi ki constitution kari siam na akhoi Manipur chalai ramme leibak amoina adu matung 1949 the Bharat merged obune adu statehood pi dana koi na lab matung da 1972 ki September ki sorry January ki tarik ma thoi da ngasi numit che sida statehood phangbane adu ngasi 54th yankai ga mari raksuba du gumba statehood day celebration ne aduna ai mayam da madugi best wishes pijari loinana sugumba akhoi gi tangkhul AZE katamnao long southern tangkhul gi yamna maru oiba khun mayam pullaga youth mayam pullaga pangthok liba sports meet sigi damukta soi best wishes pijari daga sugumba program sida iga langmi nazari ba igi honorable minister collection ai one by one hairoge aduga honorable MLA Singh chairman Singh aduga organizing committee sugumba tangkhul AZE katamnao longi organizing committee Riha village ki chief aduga church ki pastor aduga aigi marup hopping sant prisho aduga Bharatiya Janata Party ki koi ukhul gi mandal kari kari shula ame noi mayam punamak koi lebiri ba yangsin biri ba cultural troupe aduga club mayam kun gi representative sanaroi mayam village chief Singh punamak po ikai khumna bustari lona media ki friends ai matham sangna lauroi ge kai kano se sai kharang an la kadam ne dong si se phangjen naruba sai na haje statehood de duga adugi program do loiraga yum sangam dam num se dum direct la bani mayam suwaram mani sai di nuksa marak ta phami do waram mani ngasi ekhoina ekhoigi tangkhul gi chil nauksing na sumaina khun mayam pullaga youth sing mayam pullaga na interaction to riba maroina sports ki activities to is ayam appreciate to ai sai lak pada sigi mamang gi sing ji sikatang ubada ingon da yam nungai jaba greenery full of trees si dum ubada hai ngasi je khara di piram da yaroi dore moise na yum khallaga la abre maram di you are caring the natures you are preserving the natures atai jaga chalu budari kamninge lo na yan thatla ga poppy hey who have been spoiled by few peoples by few greedy peoples koi mangal le youthsing drugta karida aduna ngasi na khoi mayam na tawrakana sumba sports ki momentum health haksang faradi wakhal faradi afaba thabuk tawni aduna ai adugi thawai nai lake haidana lakpani aduga sigi leirame bin infrastructure hoi natural yengbada duki matik pung huningai ni ai rihagi aduga tai swagi neighboring mapithel gi kari gi leiriba khungi khunja sing ai appreciate tawe dam se saram drabani IT to dai de hawraga dom aina ngasai honorable minister govindas na hagi bada dam si makhong sumai yung kalaga makhada tawraga dom palga dom stand still layer mabani isorna sanbidna ingon matam du da IFCD gi minister pi bada ai laga ai ningsangi Christmas ki mamang da la kan da khoi seminar ma khallaga surrounding village ki sip leaders in kor kan ma da Christmas ki sini kari sharing to minar kan da masi kana rakani Manipur praja mayam ki kana rakani Tangkhul mayam ki kana rakani aduga laiba ki kana gani masi tawse na haibada gi thingnaram ma lainar ma mayam du loina tawr kan da matam du da government ki policy su soiram balai mamang gi da yum mama kai badu gi yum mama gi pikhak pir ga tai yeng biram da ba ground nama lai badu ground nama sem na ba gi khak tor ga tai yeng biram da du go mayam leram me mu ai lak padu gi matam du gi leader sing tanar ga center da tawr kan da ngasi gi infrastructure mayam si yum mama gi ani maman pige da bani adu to go da ni da to go da bani tor kan mayam mama package ma sema kan da yana ki bane ngasi di kayam kana re ngasi di ising sile ramina ising mayang gi thakpagi phange loina na surrounding da leiba praja sing nga sarkar na free da thada bire pharaga yolaga kana ba paisa phangbade khoi neighboring village sing na kana chum sange ne nga porpo soi na ningon na poram do kiji kun hena tauba kunithoi muk chawe aduna sigi kana base project makal makha gi project to gudori akhogi hi lamjen to we aba motor boat koi be aba tourism gi oi ba achouba posak khara akhoi we have already planned on the pipeline adui mathakta hoje akhoi sida power plant ma akhoi gi kaino do hydro nate solar power park am sida sem godori 35 crore muki already approval lakhre ai madugi jatra hunba kano ai thuna lakane mo ai koi mangda sangse let us forgive how ki bahu kare yare koi mangda sangse phattaba mi gi wata ganu Pataba Maitaiga, Tangkhul Khana Hanaba, Tangkhul Aduga Khana Hanaba, Maitaiga, Duga Khana Hanaba, Singa Tangalapto Hanaba, Silaga, Vodka Hanaba, politician Yamli Bini. Be careful from them. Sing the development Tauramde, Tam the development Tauramde, Lauraga Dumla, Tabaktim the Tauramde. High division good loud division to give Mogi Alaman Sing Loina Mansi, where Mangatani, Emily, or Mangatani. A quite Tangkhul minister and Ilermena. Minister later mena. Ado hojik sidai da ada pura kan da sai thokani singi tampang na hau re low re na. Ado akhoi government si lak podagi singam ri tam da paikhali ba project mayam se nui ngam gani. Akhoi na white paper puthok pani. Population ki matungi na 60% in the valley, 70%, 30% hill dani, but development ki project thadar phom matam dadi budgetary 45% single thada in white paper puthok pani white paper puthok kan dadi ngangam mayam ro tumin namung lai gre aduna tampang noi low gre na santok pose masi tabi gano tage har gadi you go to the office RTI thabiyo right to information ek ki makhada you will get everything. Ukhrul do huji kari kari paikhali. Kamjong do huji kari kari paikhali. Ukhrul kamjong khata da handak ta lambi khatang sema da kasom to sangsat to Tangnupal da karor lising ama ga sahum ni ne 777 crore ma aduga 520 crore ma handak ki se handak khata da sanction to buda se yengo kamjong da mini secretariat kamjong gi se ai akhoi gi matam se lokol ni hanas leik te ko mini secretariat kamjong ji loidore sangha grabasiba o akhoi nahan sangha basa sena toruga ready leire sangha ga dore adagi abha ima market kamjong gi completed adagi EMRS rihada ready adagi hujik rihagi black dropping do hoi mate khara wali hai adu box minister yauri mina yembiro akoi laisio gi marai sidi takpa aduna adum thuna tharakani magi marai se adagi construction of diet center kasom khulen upgradation of 2 numbers of higher secondary school buildings kamjong and kasom the 2-number school under school Pakaranjiki Makada Kamjong ne Kasong Kulene school ani adagi 33/11 kV substation akoina tawgibasing ni ko se ade hujik project sanction tawrga leiribasina hujik enoja ngasai haibedo sangsak Tangnupal gi first phase gi crore 4 ga niyama aduga phase thar gi crore 60 ka 764 crore ma adri punna kya tha raha means 1266 tha raha adagi Maklang river ki thong opening of district transport office sigi mayam se akhoi gi amna short period 7 years in the neighbor koina lori se in spite of covid na sahi ani makhaya manghan garban adagi hantak amuk illegal immigrant ga drug ka thimu dagi sahi ani mo mangis ado haidi basi mangna covid ki sahi ani makai mangna haidi ba irang ji sahi ani pharka dore sahi taret ki manung da khoi government ki sahi taret ki manung da sahi mari di mang khre only just we got 3.5 years working ado khoi na masidai da khoi na chingi area da semkal liba mayams kaino da khoi gi jasami da sariba akhoi gi transit accommodation atai infrastructure mayam ukhrul gi sports complex Tangkhulong ground da sage ta ubadagi matam da yena rakpadagi songi paksi ground da sage bani district sports complex adagi huji paksi ground su gallery do akoi na katpane asuk chaw Tangkhulong ground am leraga gallery do ngai tien tro kan fajana gallery ma sari do adagi ukhrul da huji 7-a-side football 7-a-side astroturf football loigre sanaba hogre amusement park semkali Patrick college huji around 60-70 crore gi thadar gani huji Patrick college saris lambi sumaina ukhrul da huji sing phangde ising ge problem lei akhoi chalaga no masi siroi da dam sar kan da siroi da gi ukhrul pur kan da ising natradi ukhrul gi praja sing ising thakpa phangoi dore huji akhoi siroi gi da dam sai 6 crore sanction tawre adar achobo project sema kan da siroi kangna ka mange tor mamli siroi li huji environment and forest ki tor kan da yengo chalaga yengbi semkal ido fajana railing seme khunja mayam ga khoge manaraga madai da hunting protect ogre huji fajana mana masing haure saji thoe ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯐꯣꯇꯣ ꯊꯥꯔꯛꯏ ꯁꯤꯔꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯟꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯤꯟꯁ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯥꯒꯠꯂꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠ ꯊꯧꯔꯥꯡ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯗꯤꯕꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯕ ꯄꯣꯔꯛꯑꯣꯏ ꯆꯤꯡꯒ ꯇꯝꯒ ꯈꯨꯟ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯄ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯆꯨꯋꯦꯜ ꯔꯦꯁꯄꯦꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯦꯜꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯔꯦꯁꯄꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯅꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯋꯥꯟꯅꯦꯁꯁꯦ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯦꯟ ꯈꯪꯅꯗꯦ ꯗꯦꯜꯂꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯇꯝꯕ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯇꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯀꯥꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯨꯜ ꯀꯥꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯀꯥꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯅꯕꯤ ꯀꯥꯎꯁꯜꯂꯛꯑꯦ ꯈꯔ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯨꯜꯒ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯒ ꯈꯠꯅꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯨꯝ ꯃꯨꯟꯅꯗꯧꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯨꯝ ꯃꯨꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯠꯅꯗꯧꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯨꯝꯁꯦ ꯅꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯁꯤ ꯁꯣꯏꯈꯠꯅꯅꯤꯌꯣ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯊꯤꯒꯠꯂꯣ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯍꯩꯕ ꯗꯦꯜꯂꯤꯗ ꯐꯝꯃꯒ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯛꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯍꯩꯕ ꯗꯦꯜꯂꯤꯗ ꯐꯝꯃꯒ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯛꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯨꯒꯥꯏꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯐꯣꯡꯉꯕꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯚꯣꯂꯨꯝ 1ꯅꯦ ꯚꯣꯂꯨꯝ 2ꯗ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯨꯜꯅ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯏ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯅ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯏ ꯊꯥꯗꯧꯅ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯏ ꯃꯔꯤꯡꯅ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯏ ꯃꯥꯎꯅ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯏ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯑꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧ 68ꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯅꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯆꯪꯉꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯤꯅꯕ ꯆꯪꯉꯦ ꯉꯔꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ 2,000ꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯑꯏꯕ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯍꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯀꯝꯃꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯗꯨꯅꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯨꯜꯕꯨ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤꯗ ꯀꯝꯄꯤꯠ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯖꯥꯇꯤꯁꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤꯗ ꯀꯝꯄꯤꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯋꯥꯔꯛꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯟꯁꯤꯌꯟ ꯇꯥꯏꯝꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯚꯤꯂꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯛꯄ ꯀꯝꯃꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤꯅꯤ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯄꯣꯛꯄ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤꯗ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯄꯣꯏꯟꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒꯦ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯗꯤꯒ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯑꯃ ꯀꯝꯖꯣꯡꯗ ꯁꯥꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯟꯗꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯊꯤꯖꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯊꯅꯝꯃꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯄꯅꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯏꯟꯇꯤꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯦꯗ ꯆꯦꯛ ꯄꯣꯁ ꯃꯣꯗꯦꯜ ꯇꯥꯎꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯁꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯜ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯛꯅꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯁꯤꯌꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯅꯥꯎ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯀꯜꯂꯤ ꯇꯛꯄ ꯀꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛ ꯈꯪꯉꯤ ꯃꯥ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯗꯦꯜꯂꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯥ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛ ꯈꯪꯉꯤ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯈꯪꯉꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯔ ꯋꯥꯕꯩ ꯋꯥꯅꯤ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯇꯛꯄꯗ ꯐꯝꯐꯝ ꯈꯪꯗꯕ ꯋꯥꯅꯤ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛ ꯋꯥꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯈꯛꯀꯤ ꯋꯥꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ FCI ꯒꯣꯗꯥꯎꯟꯒꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯨꯡꯁꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔꯗ ꯏꯔꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯅꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯇꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥ ꯄꯣꯄꯨꯂꯦꯁꯟ ꯀꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩ ꯁꯤꯌꯥꯔ ꯀꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯏ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯦꯕꯤꯅꯦꯠ PDꯗ ꯃꯗꯨꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯛꯅꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯕꯦꯂꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯤꯖꯀꯤ construction of road from Sahong to Satri for boxing and football. Boxing and football. Ratio. So, Kamzong the Hum Surere scenery Hagin Harris. I Sathikra meaning music by the Muganda. Adagi tourism destination Sima, I think I hijack. Koi Masima Yamkana seriously, Koi and Jinjari. Sida belly breeze ama sabase ai gi matam tu da akoina sigi dam sagalakku matam da so koi wari kanna sanagi masi kamaina lan sige na belly breeze ama sabagi wafam se dum koi khanar ga lakune adu yamna kaino 327 meter sangba sigi sadori se aduna masi center gi moi gi MORT gi kangbu ga expert singa phajana tanarga akoi RCCD yaroi RCCD ka moi invest auroi lairiba population product kai ge moi economically hot panina aduna masdai da khoi gi hanging bridge gi type ta karida karmaina to boy age to ngasimak sima dei sure haiba moi maramdi meter chahunga kun ga tare change ba aduna masimai export sing tanar ga masigi funding kari gai su ju yenga ai hona ge haidana masima thamjaram ge aduga hujiki black topping gi dudi mayam na hena khange black topping hore adagi kano se SDO office se the total population of Kamzong is 45,000. There is already a proposal for development of SDC office building and a staff quarter for officials of Thawai Circle under Pungyar subdivision. It is located close to foothill areas. The distance of Thawai Pungyar is 77 kilometers. Aduna masigi SDO office ship tawbra or center point oibra aduga anu ba hang ba yagadra ise koi kitang area wise hot pa masangi aduna akoi singi sine yam wari sina khunnam ga se yam lapa population thin noiba akoi ki tampa ki na nungari sina khun plop tasal laga leiba nakpa ani sigi khena bani akoi ki na aduna ne aina BJP changba kanda topographical need based budget darkar lai sing tam sam anana sakot hanji haidana ina center dai propose to one topographical need base maram ni tampaki dari khunnam phawna base lambi thong lising tara thaba so lak tara sangba crore tara sangba thongam sara phayeba akhoi gi di khunnam ga lamna base lapnina madugi lok turen sing mam lan banina double times triple times or 10 times paisa sangeba aduna maduna ni khoina kaino tawrise aduga hojiki amana 31 kaino gi dudi kaino gi mai gi dudi under process ta leire adagi hojiki lambi ma satrikhulen gi belly bridge number simase PMJSY na hana paikhat po ramane aduna moi gi da amona paikhat padi yadre haidana haiba aduna ai hairiba khara si noina demand torokpa khungi silnau singna karina mayamna honorable MLA gi kuthangre demand torokpa posting guni aigi site gi ngasai gi aina hairiba tourism gi samgat kadaba adagi power gi samgat kadaba lambi gi tawgadaba adu mayam sports gi already leire adu ngasi nakoi mayam na greenery si thambiramba adagi sidai leire atmosphere ground ji am phajare sigi ground ji grassy ground ni hena maru warise kano khoi sports ki organizing committee dai hajage internationally darkar na isi grassy ground ni astroturf nate astroturf ti temporary ki practice tongno bagi nga ki wani aduga tasengna akhoi original di sigi grassy ground da sano hebni sidai da astroturf thajal ladi loi mangani Senapati gumba yamna dry oiba koi stone nung atagi leiba dugi moigi lamp kaino do town do Senapati town do adu oiba gi astroturf thagi bani atai dadi loina grassy Senapati gi su grassy tokdori aduna akhoi gi sigi su sigi grassy ground ji phajana hoji napi phajana hore to masidai da asi makha dagi ising singkhalo ising singkhana bagi plan kari do water resource minister leire adagi PSCD minister leire ising torokanda kapo pungsang sangani maduda sanabaduni international level gi football tournament bok to boyani madu to boyana naba ai gi site gi aduga khoi laminari bagi site gi masigi ground si phaju yam phajai masida wina sabana phani makha gi dudi anobuni na nungai roi aduna lupa karor aniga makhai changba gallery ama TANGKHUL islinau TANGKHUL AZE KATAMNAO long Southern TANGKHUL Student Union gi kuthang da sports lover sports bu yokhat piriba youth singbu sanaroi singbu puning thaugat piriba alaman singi favor da ai athuba matamda sanction tawraga masidai da gallery yauna semna na bai tawra age haiba wafam simai thamjarumge aduga ngasi larik ani khak phongbani amana state road yes da no manipur sigi sima yang biro. Then akhoi achievement last 6-7 years ida achievement schemes layeng ba leiram da ba layeng na ba ki paisa leiter ma mitam mapi targa leiram ba kaya Ayushman Bharat ki kata si minister Haksel ki tengbang ki kata lakh ani lakh manga pir kana free the layeng ki ba Manipur sarkar na akhoi ne hek horak padagi si minister ki Haksel ki tengbang ana free the layeng han bagi scheme je horak padi hujik phau pada mioi lakh ani ki mathak layeng ghare crore sani ga marfu hai na government na free the puthok pi ghare mayam ge gas phangam daba so many things adugi mayam dugi details sing the karam jaga da kari kari pai khali ge khokal ge haiba scheme sing niko si minister gi government gi scheme sing haiba buk ani se gi ayam ba phangani aduna mase kong sablo buyo adugi any grievances darkar leibo sing strike ban tongno kum se khoi working season yam teli khoi manipur gi only 6 months ka dani working matam 6-7 months atai di no ngata ta lai banina aduna tha manga troki koi thabuk tawna na bugi matam phangba sida lambi semak poda oiro amagi oiro koi disturb tawna da ba association sema ga thingbi tawbi sema si tawna da ba senapati yengo adaki madik phajana develop tawre hujik senapati da hujik wrestling gi indigenous wrestling stadium indigenous games ki rupa crore tara mani sang sare adagi huji multi story car parking Manipur am talai first of its kind ne huji kano da senapati da sagalli triple IT logi dore senapati gi sigi adu huji khoi anu bada crore samagi project ama singi district manga da khoi gi ukrul ne senapati ne Tamenglong ne Chandel ne none yaubra the break sorry district manga da khoi gi doctor sing anaba layeng matam da khitang aruba na bola kana Imphal pudadi ade Delhi pudadi ade Guwahati pudadi ade na tobudo madugi machinery yauba MRI yauba aduga specialist doctor specialist ne yenga da ba CT scan gi priority piba atuba matam da ukrul amadi district manga da thaba horagani adu loinana district headquarters singi district headquarters khudingma concrete road cemented concrete road headquarters sing loin tharagani madugi hayeng launching Tamenglong da koi cabinet meeting ama torga hayeng launching togani aduna koi development asase education health road connectivity employment laire yam hangaga leirabani Manipur gi sarkar na mai wonjan biyo atopa sarkar do ngahang matam kra thamgo Manipur sarkar gi thabok mayam ko rimne startup akhoi ukrul de startup ki kayam phawre huje morok ki ading asai kariba khoi gi a3 keno do nungi saba sapu sabado loina adagi haigi chocolate sabagi ukrul da ko gi tangkul single riba talent angat pani ado international level the focus pe bangame mokoi ado high using jagi gi government gi khoi gi startup ki makhada adagi business sports scheme gi makhada khoi difference ki mayama hogwe khoina madudagi moi khudong chab lo hai aduna laibiriba youth singju silino mayam su thabak phangdre khotre na puning hanbi gano makhal kaya gi scheme koina government na one family one livelihood family em lera gadi hingdaba ya de na koi 10 lakhs ki loan lai madudai da koi 30,000 means 3 lakhs akoi keno da free gi grant hoina project yauri so many things aduna high representation government ga matam gi DC khangde lairiba administration sinuga tied up tawbiraga hoji miyam gi numit hawdo labani miyam gi numitu da sangaga noina apam bado DC unaraga adagi SDO unaraga moida haibiyo birth certificate resa tobio we indigenous people have to be very careful akoi government gi one notification thokrabani birth certificate amani death certificate ani se electronically digital register to compulsory go irabani. Madam, there's so many influx, uncounted. Aduna ko indigenous people sing minority oirapu yabu khudong saba leitabnate khudong thiba. Aduna ko madu maso ko mind dagi lokthokano khanasi haibanate sainagadabnate formally constitutionally akhoi gi hana mehoron dagi legjara iba khoi mayam se punna leiminaba protect obiramba makhoi gi damakta lambi yatpiramba haibaduni as a politician as a leader akhoi na tawudabs ana wafam kharsi thamjaraga sigi jaga sida dum sahi khuding gi pangthok odi noi gi hong hong ran tawbra I khangde ado hong hong tawraga di hong hong aga stadium sabadi ngamoy sida hana sigi yam phajale sigi se ubada ingonda I am really impressed aduga hujik aina haijari bad maina lampak se noi darkar leraga dei angang sing tharke lampak se karmaina grassi je phajana hawon gadage kari kari tawudage habdo football gi khoi gi khumal lampak senari ba hujia khoina manipur da su ground tarama thoi khak lokhali ba specially international level sanaba yaba manungda makhara drain ga happa aduga magi mawong ga semaga phajana tawbu yani sidi aduna wafam kharse thamjaraga mayam puno mangoloi bio anobu sahi lakpada manipur peace lakpa oisano koi mayam nungsi sana na mato ina leigadabani saukhatpa managadabani koi masen respect lainagadabani aduga soi khiba lan khiba yauruga su amana amabu wari otai sanarga ngangna gadabani akhoi isorna akhoi bu punna nungsi sanana leiminana ba semakpani anu wafam kharse thamjaraga ai amhona organizing committee boy blessing pijari mangolobio sanaroi singa soyenga myogna mai pangna tournament mit chipang thopong amboi bio adu ai gi site gi paisa khar de puruga lakpani palak ani ahum gumbai mateng pangjerang beno ki organizing committee gi site gi koi laiba singje minister MLA singje khagram minister MLA dai de hapa roy the minister singje moisu moi dejuk khitang khitang masam sa hapal laga ko nang yangs thank you jai hind
Thagachari ngasi ekhoina haijarubada harau harau yabiraktuna thauram asibu mapung fahanbiba amadi chumlaba kanaraba wafam kaya thambiduna ekhoibu pukning lausin oihanbiba amasung development mayam pubirakpa masigidamak ikai khumna jariba honorable chief minister bu hanna hanna thagatpa phongdokchari.
Hello. Once again, my deep sense of appreciation goes to all the dignitaries, our special guests, and to all the audience out there. Your patience and efforts has made this event a grand success. Moving on to the next, we have lighting of torch, which will be led by our chief guest, Shri Nongthambam Biren Singh, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur. Let us begin this event with something symbolic of knowledge and learning. I would like to take this opportunity to call upon our chief guest, Shri Nongthambam Biren Singh, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, on the dais to light up the lamp.
A very good afternoon once again. Here I am Mona Lisa Chajo. On behalf of TANGKHUL, AZE KATAMNAO would like to introduce our young and talented football player who has lived the inspirations to me, youngster in the previous sports, which was held in the 2022 at Nambashi village. He was the top scorer with tremendous and remarkable performance in the previous sports. Atang wina tamringam hungyog hi ane new kenan wene ahi Manipur state level lingeryo tatsaye aricham va ahi ngesamdale chena ahi number shi village li sports 2022 hilina ana top score queen aso alep ngak hayaron akane hitada chungmei de shokwa itum sai corona aze sai corona se hai na la chungmei de shokwa hi itum na se hai na joming rock se ji hina tumni hangai lu shitine ning schneider
Let us imagine the amazing qualities of this lamp when lit. Not only does it carry the tremendous potential to break the darkness of the night, but it gave ways for 1,000 other lamps to be lit from its flames. So now we have the most important parts of an event for a sportsman, which is odd tagging, and this will be led by Kuire Mathanmi Rimai, Games and Sports Secretary of TANGKHUL AZE KATAMNAO. And just after this odd tagging, we will have the opening of the event, the kickoff. China units kajivu we Games and Sports Secretary na kajicha shi we unit we kaya shi kapaya pilanji kangkuilaka mga shong ka ramirano. Okay, katiyo ka kang jelere. Juvangin issue with kickoff Raider Samuel. So firstly, we will have a kickoff, a football kickoff from our chief guest, Shri Nongtambam Biren Singh, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur. And secondly, we have Govindas Kontaujan, Honorable Minister. And lastly but not the least, we have Shri T.H. Biswajit Singh, Honorable Minister. And for volleyball, we have Shri Awangbao Niumai, Honorable Minister, and we have Leshangtem Susindro Meiti, Honorable Minister of Manipur, for volleyball.
Kickoff sa payore. The 33 General Conference comes Sports Meet 2025. First day of match hi Riha A KATAMNAO Long versus Kangkum KATAMNAO Long hina. First match hi Samira.
Hello. Unit katong khawi Game and Sports Secretary hivak tiong ngai mai se. Tiong ngai mai se ma sang rok pa sin.